One more question.
Yeah, sure.
You think after all these years, you could, first of all, now you're working as a business developer, you could close a business and execute it all by yourself, managing everyone, including other companies, other service providers, coordinating the Qubit team as well, all by yourself. I personally think you can because of the experience you have in Qubit itself. You've been in almost
All the sectors.
all the sectors.
Yes.
I feel like you can. How confident do you feel about it?
Well, I definitely can. I'd say I'm 100% sure I can.
Yeah.
Because even when I was in project managing, I think I almost like did everything, which is I'm very thankful for because like big chunk of my learning is because they put me on different sectors. It's what they call like work rotation. So what like before, the salesperson would just close the deal and I would take care of the rest. Even like speaking to the client, managing people, the technicians, the operations. So yeah, I think I can.
The dismantling.
The only difference now is I'm the one looking for client.
Yeah.
But before, the client will be handed over to me and then I manage everything. But yeah, it's almost the same. And I think I can.
So many great contributions from you.
Well,
To great
I have a quote that was stuck in my head. I read it in the book Ego is the Enemy. So it says it's like you're gonna be the person in a room where you feel like you don't have nothing to do there. You're not supposed to be there because you're not good enough. Until you change the whole vibe because of the results. So yeah. Then from there, I always tell myself it's okay if you feel like you're stupid at this point because you don't know what you're doing. But trust me, in the long run, trust the process. As long as you're doing everything you can to learn or execute, the results will follow.